It's cold and I'm working on the Buddleia. This is one of the microchip butterfly bushes. You can see the seeds forming. Some wilted flowers and seed pods. It stays relatively evergreen, so I'm just going to cut off the seed heads and then gather those so that it doesn't spread, because butterfly bushes, I'm not 100% sure about this variety, but in general the butterfly bush is invasive in some areas. So as long as you remove the seed heads, you should be okay. I removed some earlier in the season, but now that it's not going to flower anymore, this will be my last time working on it this year. You can try removing it with your fingers, either above a leaf. Yeah, above a leaf. Okay, I think it's going to stay relatively evergreen throughout the winter. The shape is round. It's ready to go for next year.